Astagfirullahaladzim.
Good night, guys. How are you tonight?
Good night.
Minal
I'm
aidin
good.
wal faizin. Forgive me for any of my mistake. And
Minal
taqabbalallahu minna wa
aidin.
minkum. May God accept our pray and our fasting, right?
Amin. Ya Allah. Right.
Yeah, okay. So
Roar.
here tonight, I'm gonna ask you some question in scholarship interview. I'm gonna ask you some barely question from the list on our task. Can I ask you some question? Do you mind?
Yes,
Yeah,
of
of
course.
course.
Okay, so let's move to the first question. First thing first, can you guys tell me about yourself? Maybe Erlangga first. Can you tell me about yourself?
Okay. My name is Muhammad Erlangga. I'm currently studying English language education at UIN Bandung. And my hobbies include swimming and exploring nature. And I'm known as a helpful, approachable person and friendly. My key skills include strong communication, leadership, and problem solving abilities. And my current focus is on further developing my existing skills and actively seeking opportunities to learn the new ones.
Okay, okay, I see, I see. That's a good.
Oh,
And how about you, Anissa? Can you tell me about yourself?
Okay, I'm an ambivert and I enjoy working with others and having meaningful conversations. But I also value my alone time to recharge and reflect. This balance helps me adapt well in different situations, whether it's group work or independent tasks.
Okay, okay, okay. Nice to know you guys. And what is your dream job? How about you, Erlangga? What is your dream job?
my dream job is to be an entrepreneur, allowing me the freedom to implement my own vision and make a real difference.
Okay, okay. So how about you, Anissa? What is your dream job?
Um, my dream job is actually to open a bakery or shop or cake shop and florist maybe, but I did not choose the appropriate major in the current lecture. But nothing is impossible. It could be that in the future.
Yes, you're right. Nothing is
I
impossible.
will buy. I will be the first buy.
Okay,
The
that's
first
good.
Thank
buyer.
you.
So far, guys, what motivates you to achieve your dream or your goals? How about you, Erlangga?
For me, okay. For me, I'm motivated by achieving goals and the process of learning and overcoming challenge. The satisfaction of successfully tackling a problem, especially using my communication and leadership skills, is a significant driver. Furthermore, my current focus on expanding my knowledge and abilities keeps me motivated to actively seek new learning experiences.
Okay, okay, that's good answer. How about you, Anissa? What motivates you so far from now?
My motivation is one of the quotes that I like, which is grow better than yesterday. Meaning that we must be better than before, a little bit, but in the process of getting better.
Okay, okay,
Wow,
okay.
I like
We
you.
always getting better,
I
right?
like you.
And on the other hand, we still always getting stressed and everything, even when we motivated. And how do you guys manage your stress so far? Can you explain it to me?
Mm, for me, I manage
Yes.
stress through my hobbies like swimming and exploring nature, which help me relax and clear my mind. And my friendly nature and ability to communicate also allow me to connect with others or support when needed.
Okay, okay. How about you, Anissa? How do you manage stress?
Okay, I usually manage stress by sleeping it off seriously. Nothing resets my brain like a good nap. It doesn't cut it. Uh, Sometimes I manage stress by listening to music.
Okay, okay,
Ah,
that's good. It's can
that's good idea.
relieve our stress, right? And last but not
Yeah.
least, how did you guys choose your major now?
For me, I believe that language skills are essential, and I'm motivated by the idea of helping individuals develop their ability to communicate effectively in English.
Okay, okay, okay. So how about you, Anissa? How did you choose your major?
I choose this major because I think English is very important to learn. And English is also international language that most people also learn English. So it makes it easier for us to communicate with foreigners.
Okay, okay. That's all of my question. Thank you guys for help me here and answering the question. You guys are kind of you. And that's all. Do you have any question to share here?
Hmm,
Maybe Erlangga.
Yes, you can.
maybe I want to say thank you very much, guys, for
Okay.
being my partner.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
Uh, now I have question for you guys, and you can answer my question. The
Okay.
first, okay, let's move to the first question. The first question is, tell me about a time you overcame adversity. Maybe Anissa, may you answer first?
Okay. During my first year, I struggled with my public speaking while leading classroom discussion, and I practiced regularly, joined a speaking club, and now I confidently lead lessons and presentations like that.
Wow, that's good. How about you, Jai?
About the time I overcame adversity is during high school. I faced a period where I felt overwhelmed with academic pressure, leadership, responsibilities, and personal expectations. It wasn't easy balancing everything, but I stayed focused and organized my time better. I remind myself why I start, learn how my motivation to success, and keep pushing forward. That journey helped me grow stronger, and in the end of the day, I achieved stop soon overall, which made the struggle worth it.
Wow, that's good too. Um, let's move to the next question. The second question is, where do you see your life, yourself, in 5 years?
Okay, I'll
Maybe,
answer first.
okay.
In 5 years, I see myself teaching English at secondary school, helping students grow as readers, writers, and thinkers, while also pursuing a master's degree in education.
Wow. Okay, how about you, Jai?
In 5 years, if I can dreaming, I see myself actively working as a speaker or motivator, sharing my story, encouraging youth, and speaking at schools or events. I also hope to be involved in community programs or education related projects that empower people. I want to keep learning and building my skills so I can inspire others in even bigger ways.
Wow.
Wow, that's so good. Okay, let's move to the next question. The third question is, why should you be the one to receive this scholarship?
Okay. As a future English teacher, I'm passionate about education and making a difference. This scholarship will support my journey and help me give back to the next generations.
Ah, okay. How about you, Jai?
I believe I should receive this scholarship because I commit to using my education to make a meaningful impact, not just for myself, but for others. I've shown that I work hard, stay focused, and care about helping people. With this scholarship, I can continue my studies, grow as future leader, and turn my dream of becoming a motivator into a reality that benefits many.
Okay, that's awesome. Let's move to the next question. The fourth question is, tell me about the time when you didn't agree with an authority's decision.
Okay, I'll answer. A professor once rejected a creative lesson plan I created. I respectfully explained my educational goals behind it. Though it wasn't approved, it sparked a good conversation about teaching flexibility.
Okay, that's good. How about you, Jai?
Once there was a school decision that affected how students were evaluated. Um, I felt it didn't fully reflect our efforts. Instead of reacting negatively, I respectfully voiced my thought to the teacher, explaining the student's perspective. While the decision didn't change completely, it opened a space for better understanding, and I learned the value of calm communication and standing up respectfully for what I believe in.
Wow. Okay, okay. Let's move to the next question. Last but not least is, what are your biggest accomplishment? Sorry. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Hmm,
Maybe Nisa?
thank you. Thank you for considering me. I'm committed to becoming the kind of teacher who inspires students the way my own teachers inspired me.
Hey, thank you. How about you, Jai?
Maybe I'm just have a little bit additional. I'm truly grateful for this opportunity. Whether or not I'm selected, I'll continue working hard toward my goals, but receiving this scholarship will truly help me move forward and represent the values it stands for. Thank you for considering me. Anyway,
Okay. You guys' answer is so awesome. Thank you very much for being my interviewee. Maybe we can meet together and talk in real life in the next.
Of
Yeah,
course.
thank you very much, guys.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Jai, pause dulu, Jai.
Tiga.
Alexia.
Okay. Good night, guys.
Good night.
Good night.
I have some questions for you guys. Do you have any free time for answering my questions?
Of course, I
Of
have.
course, anything for you.
Okay. The first question is, what is your dream job? How about you, Erlangga?
Okay, like I said before, my dream job is to be an entrepreneur, allowing me the freedom to implement my own vision and make a real difference.
Okay. I hope it will be come true in the future. And how about you,
Um,
Jai?
Yeah, as I've said before in Erlanga's interview, my dream job is to become a speaker or motivator. I've always wanted to inspire others to words, help them discover their potential, and encourage them to never give up on themselves. I believe that with the right message at the right time, we can change lives, and I want to be that kind of influence for others.
Okay, it sounds good, and I hope it will become true in the future too. And the next question is, what the motivated you guys? How about you, Jay? What are your motivations?
I'm motivated by personal growth and the opportunity to help others to grow too. Knowing that I can have a positive impact on someone's life really drives me. My dreams, my goals, and the support from people who believe in me also keep me motivated, especially during challenging times.
Wow. Okay. And how about you, Erlangga?
okay, for me, I'm motivated by achieving goals and the process of learning and overcoming challenge. The satisfaction of successfully tackling a problem, especially using my communication and leadership skills, is a significant driver. Furthermore, my current focus on expanding my knowledge and abilities keeps me motivated to actively seek new learning experiences.
Okay. And describe your personality in 3 words. How about you, Erlangga? Describe
Mm,
your personality in 3 words.
helpful, communicative, and friendly.
Okay, I agree with your answer. And how about you, Jay?
3 words about me, I think confident, caring, and talkative.
I,
Wow.
I totally agree. And the next question is, tell me about the greatest strength and greatest weakness. How about you, Jay?
My greatest strength is my confidence in public speaking and my ability to connect with people. I enjoy motivating others and bringing positive energy into conversations. My greatest weakness is that I sometimes put too much pressure on myself to success. I tend to set high standards, which can lead to stress. But I'm learning to manage it by focusing more on progress rather than perfection. It's my
Okay.
voice.
And how about you, Erlangga?
Okay, my greatest strength is my ability to communicate effectively. I can articulate ideas clearly, listen actively, and build rapport with others, which I believe is essential in various settings, from teamwork to leadership. And one of my weaknesses is sometimes finding it difficult to say no to requests, as I genuinely enjoy helping others. However, I'm learning the importance of setting boundaries to manage my time and energy effectively.
Okay. The last questions, guys. What are your biggest accomplishment? How about you, Erlangga?
Okay, for me, I consider my leadership roles in Sakawira Kartika and as the president of Kampung Inggris Pare to be major accomplishment. In both positions, I gained valuable experience in guiding and motivating others. Furthermore, winning first place in the basketball competition was a significant achievement that highlight my ability to work effectively within a team to achieve a common goal.
Wow, it's good. And how about you, Jay?
So I think
What's your biggest accomplishment, Jay?
one of my biggest accomplishment it was being named for the top student overall in my senior high school. It was a proud moment for me because it showed that my dedication and hard work paid off, not only academically but also in leadership and personal growth. That experience gave me more confidence to pursue my dream of becoming a speaker and motivator.
Okay, guys, thank you for answering my questions. Your answering is good, and thank you for your time, guys. Maybe it's enough,
Okay,
and see you.
See you. Have a
see you.
nice
Thank you.
night.